Good? Okay. And now it's okay. Yeah. Tell me, how are you doing?
Yeah, okay.
Good?
How about you?
I'm fine. You tell me, how are you doing?
Yeah,
Good?
it's good. I'm in my office working, and it's
Okay.
Friday, Good Friday.
Okay.
So I would like to finish it immediately and going back home to have my
Okay.
own 2 days to get rest. Let's say.
All
And
right. All right.
Ruchi, is it your? How can I pronounce your name? Ruchi, right? Okay,
Ruchi Dhingra.
Richie.
Yeah.
Okay, Richie. At first, thank you so much for accepting my interview request. It's
No, no,
really
that's okay. That's my, I think, your gratefulness, and that's okay. I also felt nice. I like
thank
interacting with new
you.
people.
Thank you so
So,
much. Really appreciate, and it's going to add value to this project. As I stated in
mhm.
my text, it's just to increase the consciousness of executive assistant profession. You know, we are
Yeah.
all assistants, and as long as we are
Okay.
together we are stronger. So I don't want to take you
Yeah.
longer, but let me at first describe myself, introduce myself. My name is Serpil Soykan, executive assistant for almost 18 years. I love my job more than anything. And before we
Wow, that's
start,
good.
I would like you to introduce yourself, who you are, what you are doing, where are you working.
Okay. Well, I'm also an executive assistant in a company, Franchise India Private Limited. I have also recently joined this company because I was suffering from that COVID pandemic effect. I
Uh-huh.
worked in a company, and 2 months back till June, I was working with Recliners India earlier as a
Uh-huh.
executive assistant only, because of this, just because of COVID pandemic, I had
Yeah.
to, you know, keep myself away from that company. And in June, I had to, of course, be out of that company because they were doing the, cut short of employees and everything. Then June, July and August was very dull for me. Then since I started hunting for jobs on LinkedIn and everything, so
Uh-huh.
I
Uh-huh.
entered the market and gave lots of interviews. So I met like people from this company, and successfully I got, selected. So I'm working for the chairman and founder of the company. This is a
Great.
44 years old company where I'm working, and even
Mm-hmm.
I love my job. And it's
Mm-hmm.
like being on your toes. I think for EA, you have to be like open your eyes, ears all the time, and you have to be. I mean, right now also before connecting to your call, I was just talking to my boss only. Though it's a holiday here, it's a Gandhi Jayanti. It's a 2nd October Friday holiday here. But I
Yeah,
was just talking to my boss and rescheduling, some cancelled meetings. So it's
yeah,
like
we're
you're never
always
off,
busy. Yeah, we're always
always
busy,
busy.
and we never have stop button. We are always having a busy circle in our business. So,
Correct, correct.
Richie, my first question is: would you please describe one of your day? How is going? You came into the company and then sit on your desk, and then what you are doing?
I mean, see, I come firstly, I go to my company, I'm
Uh-huh.
sitting on my desk. Then, first thing in the morning is I'm checking all my
Mm-hmm.
emails. And the priority most thing for me is the plan of the day, which is
Yeah.
already been decided. Yes, I mean, if I come today, I have to cross check. Yesterday night only I sent tomorrow's plan to my boss. So I have to cross
Exactly.
check the calendar and
Uh-huh.
everything what has to be done today. So I don't call up people and confirm, but I just give an update, sir. These are the things I already say. He already knows that this is going to happen.
Uh-huh.
9 o'clock
Uh-huh.
is this thing, 9:45 is this thing, 2 o'clock is this thing. Matlab, everything you can say, the interviews and everything, but it's planned. Things are rescheduled also. He does not meet everyone, but it's very important for me to do scheduling. And I ask him the next day's, agenda. What is the
Uh-huh.
plan? How, in what possible ways I can give timings to other people. So it's like that. I mean, everything is very well planned. You have to check your mails at that time also. You have to revert them also. I mean, you are like into a situation where
Exactly.
you have to be, everything you have
Exactly.
to
This
do.
is basically what we are doing. Of course, it's changing as per what
Yes,
the
yes,
executive requires and what he wants from you.
yes,
So you may be
correct.
involved in another responsibilities, actions
Of
happening in the
course.
business. And
Mm-hmm.
As executive assistant, what are the key elements of your success? What are you doing? Do you have any short ways taking you to success? Would you please share with us?
See, I think yeah, spending some extra hours in your work. As I'm new, so I'm spending a little extra time. Though the working hours are really nice here. It's not in every office in India, but this company is really nice. They're providing good working hours, good environment
Uh-huh.
for matlab, females, I would like to say. But apart from that, if you want to learn and grow, you have to spend some extra time, knowledge, in fact. You have to read lots of, it's not only that what's been given to you like a child, you mug up the things and everything. You have to be very proactive. You have to keep
Exactly.
on that learning progress and everything. So you have to be proactive. You need to know the technology very nicely. I mean, you have to be technology savvy. And I think everything should be on your tips. If your boss is doing something after 2 3 4 hours also, you need to have it on tips. I think that is very, I mean, you have to be updated like his calendar, a robot kind of a
Yeah.
thing. So, which is very helpful. Though it is very, I mean, messy also at times because you do people coordination. So people are calling me
Exactly.
up also 9 o'clock in the morning. My call is there. Please remind the boss. My boss is actually a very busy person. He works from
Mhm.
7 a.m. in the morning till 10 o'clock at night.
Oh my
So
God.
I'm like,
Yeah.
almost every hour I have to remind him this has to be done, this has to be done. But I'm doing it now. It's become an habit. It's knack of mine. Like even on my holiday, I'm like my I'm married. I have 2 kids also. My husband is saying, it's a
Also,
holiday, na? I said,
you are
yeah,
also assistant at home, checking the
yeah, to watch.
child, managing
Yeah, I
everything.
yeah. At home, it's like it's very messy. I put salt twice in my dishes because of my office work. But it's okay. They accept it that she is very like messed up, so that's okay at home. So home is manageable, but office is not. You cannot do it, so it's
Yeah,
not
you can make
acceptable.
you
But
can make you can't make any mistake in the office. It's not acceptable time to time,
of course,
And
of
at home
course,
it can be understood because you are a mother, you are a
understood.
wife. But in the business
Yeah,
life, our main duty is to be a
yeah,
reminder instead of
yeah.
having in the calendar how the calendar is reminding us this meeting is approaching.
Actually,
So we are also a kind of reminder to our executives. Boss, this is happening, this is coming. So
of
all the
course,
time, maybe during the
yeah.
day, we have to remind our executives maybe 50 times, 50
Yes,
times, because time to time, I know a couple of my friends that they can say only one or two is enough. I told him, I don't care. I also
hmm.
met this kind of people, but of course our job is
Yes.
still um
Hmm.
yeah, circling, yeah, right. Okay, Riche, last question is there any suggestions you can give to future assistants? It's also to me, we are having the same position, but the same position, but our responsibilities change, and we are all still students on,
Yes,
in
yes.
the business. We are
Why
open
not?
to learn, and
Yes.
especially the ones at university who will be the future assistants, the training, the seminar, it can be anything you can suggest.
See, it is like, firstly, the learning point is very important. Your time management is very important. Being proactive is very important. Proactive
Mm-hmm.
means being on your toes. I'm trying to say that for an executive assistant, if you want to be a successful one. And fourthly, which I feel is, I mean, you have to be like, see, there are lots of positive, negative people at your work. So you have to forget about, you have to, I mean, overlook the negative people, and you have to be
Exactly.
positive, and you have to be in your own, I mean, positive energy, and do that work with your confidence, because you have to lots of times ignore the negative people also, who say you're not able to do this for me, my meeting is cancelled, what are you doing, you're not doing your job properly. So lots of people with lots of senior positions are there who are trying to,
Absolutely.
knock you down also. So which I feel is that's okay, it's a part of your job. At home also it happens. So I feel it, you have to be, if you have to work in a like environment like that, you have to make yourself so much confident that you have to ignore such things, so that you are on the page where you're working and you're successful. So that's very important, which I'm doing. Earlier, like 5, 6 years earlier back, I was a very immature girl. So I used to be like, I used to think, yeah, she said like that, I will not do her work. You cannot do that. I used to think like, but I used to think, things I used to take personally on me. But now it's like, it's a professional environment. I've grown up in like mentally also. So which I feel is now, yeah, it's a part of your job. And if she says tomorrow she'll be okay, tomorrow she has said something bad to me, she must have fight with her husband or boyfriend. It's okay. It's okay. Let's be positive. Let's be positive. Do our work. Complete your work. Nobody will come and say something to you. So you have to be in your positive world.
Yeah, everything starts with being positive and with self-confidence, right? Thank you.
That's very much important.
Exactly. Richie, thank you so much for contribution to our project. It will add value to this, and I am sure that future assistants and also the other colleagues of us will get to learn lots of things from our interview. I really appreciate. And after COVID, if you will be traveling to Turkey, I will be so happy to meet you in person.
Sure. When you also will be traveling to India, especially Delhi NCR, I would be your guide here. All right.
India is my great love. I have been there 2 times.
Okay. So this time, if you come, you have a friend. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
I can call you Sopil, no?
Yeah, sure.
All right.
Then just send me WhatsApp message. Okay. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you. See you.
Okay. Bye-bye. Yeah.